So we have a line in which the true length is 75 mm and the angle with respect to horizontal plane is theta, that is HP 30 degrees, and phi, that is VP, is 40 degree. So this is the brief information we have about the line, and apart from that we have the information with respect to the position of the point, that the point is 12 mm and 10 mm from both the planes. So our first step will be to draw the locus. So how to draw the locus? So I'll draw the locus. So locus will be your light lines. So this you have to draw with your H or 2H pencil. XY you have to draw with your HB pencil. So I'll write here locus of P dash. Why? Because it is first angle projection method. So we have the front view point. Similarly we have locus of P. All the symbols will be your small letters, small p, small q, something like that. Now true length 75 mm. So I'll proceed with the first step. So first step is I'll draw a line that is equal to true length 75 mm at an angle of theta, that is 30 degree. So it will be something like this. So you have your theta. So this is your P dash, and accordingly it will be your Q dash. So if it is Q dash, this is your true length, then this point will be Q dash and this will be your locus of Q. So I'll write here locus of Q dash. Now what the logic says, that if in the front view it is showing the true length, in top view it should be a parallel line. So we will locate the top view now. So we know one thing, that the P dash and P will lie on the same projector. Similarly Q dash and Q will lie on the same projector. So I'll draw up a locus from Q dash. It should also be a light line. So wherever this Q dash intersects on the locus of P, we got a new point. So that is your Q. This point is your P. So this is your top view. So I'll write here top view. You will measure its length. Now what you have to do? You have to set the inclination with respect to the vertical plane. When the line is inclined to the vertical plane, we will show its true length in the top view. So now with P as a reference point, I'll project the top view. So it will be somewhere over here. Let us say if this point is Q, this is Q dash, let us say this point will be new point, that is Q1. Accordingly I'll mark the locus here. So this will be your locus of Q1. Fine. This angle will be your phi. Phi is given to you, that is 40 degree. So this one is theta, that is 30 degree, this is 40 degree. Again this is true length. Now apply the same logic. If the line is inclined to one of the planes, it will show the parallel line in the corresponding plane, means other plane. So if it is the top view, it is showing the inclined line, in the front view it will be parallel. So what I'll do, I'll drop the projector here from Q1. So it will be somewhere over here. Let us say this one. So this point will be your Q1 dash. So this will be your front view. Now what you have to do, as I told you previously in the class, we have to rotate the corresponding front view and the corresponding top view, means the length of front view and length of top view towards front view and towards top view respectively. So what we'll do, we will rotate this PQ towards Q in the top view. So PQ with P as the center and PQ as the length, I'll rotate it. So it will cut somewhere over here. So let us say it is point Q2. Similarly, because it was Q1, let it be Q2. Similarly, what I'll do, with P dash as the center and P dash Q1 dash as the length, I'll rotate it toward the locus of Q dash. So it will be somewhere over here. So let us say Q2 dash. So you will see that P dash Q1 dash is equal to P dash Q2 dash, and this angle will be your angle alpha. Similarly, this PQ, I'll write here, I'll join it. So this angle will be your angle beta. So you will find that PQ is equal to PQ2. Similarly, P Q1 dash, P dash Q1 dash is equal to P dash Q2 dash. So this is again front view. This is top view, this is again top view. So this completes your problem. That is, now what you have to do, you have to determine what is alpha, what is beta, what is P dash Q1 dash, and what is P Q2 or PQ2 is equal to PQ. Yes, PQ is equal to PQ2. Similarly, P dash Q1 dash is equal to P dash Q2 dash. So these parameters you have to determine. So this is how we draw the problem of line inclined to both the planes. Once again I will repeat which one should be dark, which one should be light. So XY line should be dark, it should be drawn with XY pencil. All the locus, all the vertical projectors, they should be drawn with 2H pencil, means light lines. They are just a reference line, they need not be shown on the sheet of paper, but still you can show it for the purpose of reference. Otherwise, everything other than these projection lines and locus lines will be dark, rest everything will be light, and the naming should be small alphabets. Now angle will be theta, phi, that is given to you, alpha and beta you will determine. So what is alpha? As we have discussed, as I have told you previously in the class, alpha is the angle which the front view makes with the horizontal plane. Similarly, beta is the angle which the top view makes with the vertical plane. So this is the line inclined to both the planes. So I stop this problem.